Recording on-demand video lectures might sound like a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. There are some quick and easy options that will make recording video lectures a breeze. In this video, you can expect a brief description and short preview of what recording with some of these tools looks like. Let's first take a look at Kaltura Capture. Kaltura is a screen capture program that allows you to record your screen, webcam, or both simultaneously. One of the key features of Kaltura is its integration with Canvas, which makes it easy to share content within Canvas, and also means that it is accessible to all Canvas users. The next recording option we will look at is PowerPoint Narration. This is a recording tool you may want to consider if your lecture already has accompanying slides. The narration feature is included with the PowerPoint program and allows you to record audio or video to include with your slides. When recording with narration, you can record one slide at a time or as a single continuous presentation. When you are done recording, you can save the presentation as a video file for easy sharing. Another option for anyone who uses an iPad is the built-in screen recording features of iOS. This feature is not supported by devices running a version of iOS older than iOS 11. However, for those devices that do support it, you can record your iPad screen as well as audio, making for quick recordings of demonstrations or lectures. The last video recording option we will cover in this video is recording with WebEx. If you give virtual live lectures and would like to record them for future access, this is the perfect option for you. Alternatively, this feature of WebEx can be used for creating recordings outside of live events by following the same steps in your personal meeting room without any attendees. So how does it work? When hosting a meeting, you can choose for it to be recorded. This will capture video and audio as well as any interaction from participants. Once you have finished your recording and exited the meeting, the video will be processed by WebEx and you will receive an email with a link to the recording. For more information as well as how-to guides for using any of the methods covered in this video, visit the UW-Whitewater knowledge base at uw.service-now.com/kb. From here, simply search for on-demand delivery or for one of the other KB resources listed throughout this video.